So, now it's about what we call the wrap-up. And yeah, no surprise with which kind of slides we are coming here. What we told you today, what we introduced today to the public is, on one side, a clear path to improve our operational excellence with quite a lot of profit gain in it. And on the other side, a new part in our history, in our company DNA, to position us completely into efficiency and sustainability improvement for the client, which we hope you understand it's a huge market with a huge demand, what we have in front of us. And to play in that market, it is important to be the solution partner of choice for your clients. Because if you are only in one country, the one who helps a client, and not in the others where the client is established, then someone else can get in between and kick you out of that one country where you are in connection with the client. So we have clear financial targets, 4 to 5% growth. We promise and we deliver 5% plus in 2024, the 6 to 7% EBITDA in the years to come after, the 25 to 27, and of course in the cash conversion, more than 70% in 2024 and more than 80% the time onwards. We explained where the market is coming from, how we see the market, how we define the market, and what our addressable market growth is, and especially our self-propelled growth, which is a gift for the company. To offer that, what we do already successful and profitable in all the countries where we are already today, is a self-propelled business growth where we have more or less no risk in it because we know how to do it, we know the clients, we know the countries, we have the local people. That's a big added value. And on top of it, we have the opportunity to make so-called scale deals, bolt-on acquisitions to strengthen the core of our company and not going into unknown endeavors. The business model, what we run here, is clearly that we earn money by enabling our clients to earn more, to improve their profitability through efficiency and sustainability improvement. Is that where we will earn our money on? The number one means if the customer needs efficiency improvement, if the customer needs sustainability improvement, it's about Bilfinger. That's the number one position. It's not about the size, it's not about in how many countries we are or anything else. It's really about the reputation, the competence, what we then have in the industries wherever we act, that we are the number one in helping them to improve efficiency and sustainability. We outlined, actually quite detailed, which kind of strategic levers we use for it. And as I said this morning, it is important that we communicate very transparent, ongoing to you, and that you can judge us on the KPI, on the timeline, on the strategic levers. It will help us that we are easier to read in our performance, and it will help us internally to get the accountability up in the whole group, and getting that back, what is very important for any business, to have a lot of self-confidence when you go out to the market. If we look in what we are today, we cover from consultancy to maintenance and turnaround quite a lot, supported heavily by digital. We are in 3 main areas with the Middle East, North America, and Europe. We are with 35% projects. And you see on the right bottom side of that slide, how we are covering the different verticals, the different industries where we're in. The tomorrow of Bilfinger looks like that we are in the areas where we are today, but we are 80% recurring, low risk, high profit, recurring service and frame contracts. And we change our industry mix quite significantly into energy more. We keep chemicals and petrochem more or less the same level. We decrease oil and gas. We decrease significantly others, and we increase pharma and biopharma. In the offering, the engineering, the new build modification, and especially the maintenance and turnaround is a big part of that, where we will be market leading throughout the areas where we operate. Out of that, Matti will go on the financial setups and capital allocations.
Yes, so revenue growth, EBITDA progression, and cash generation will drive our ability to continuously grow our net profits and hence continuously grow the dividend. We continue to work hard to get to investment grade rating. We will fund our organic growth. As Thomas said, there is M&A. If it fits, bolt on, adds to our capacities and competencies. And as we said earlier, finally, share buyback as an option also to drive total shareholder return. That's the plan that we have hopefully very well explained to you. Thank you very much for spending the time with us, for being here with us, here or on the stream. That is what we're striving for. Number one, for our customers in enhancing their efficiency and their sustainability. Bilfinger leading in industrial services. Thank you very much. Over to Bettina.
Yeah, the last opportunity for today, but definitely not the very last opportunity. We hope that this conversation, that this discussion will be today have a new starting point going into the next weeks, months and years. But still, again, if there's something left for today, we would still try to answer your questions here or in the stream. Well, I think.
Actually, on a more personal note, when you stand here on the stage, you can imagine it's quite warm. Yeah. And climate change. Huh? And of course, if you don't get questions, you think always, was it well explained and so on? We are very, very open for feedback. That's clear. Communication is not always to give us only the nice words, but constructive feedback would be highly appreciated. So I guess no further questions.
No, not for today, I would say.
Okay. So Matti, I think we are done. Thanks a lot to the colleagues. Thanks a lot to the whole team who did a fantastic job since actually the middle of last year, especially the Team 12, the whole organization where I hope quite a lot are watching us. Great job. Top people, top company, top future. Thanks a lot.